Okay, guys, so now that we have went over the background information in class, we are going to actually carry out the experiment for part one. So I have beaker A, I have beaker B, and then beaker C. So beaker A is going to be empty. It's going to be in the middle, right? Beaker B is filled halfway with water. Beaker C is filled halfway with water, right? So they are going to be next to beaker A. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a dot of food coloring. Beaker B. And I'm going to put a dot of food coloring in beaker C. All right, so next up, I'm going to take the paper towel, right? I'm gonna put it in beaker C. I'm gonna take my other paper towel. I'm gonna put it in beaker B, right? And then we will come back in 15 minutes to record our observations. So we are back 15 minutes later. And what's happening here is we're looking at adhesion, right? Adhesion is water's ability to stick to other substances, right? Capillary action allows water to fit through small polar spaces, right? So we see the water going through the paper towel into the beaker. I could have even used rope, right? And it would have still been the same effect. And yes, the water from this beaker is going in as well. I just put like a little small dot of red, but if I would have maybe added 2 more dots, this water would be darker. But don't get confused. I don't want to go off track, but it's coming from both beakers, right? So again, adhesion, capillary action.